I was at a Harley dealer the other day and I wanted to do the dumbest comparison ever because this is what me and my friends do. Here we're looking at a Sportster. They don't make them anymore. This was old school Harley technology. They stopped making them a year or two ago. But would you rather have this Sportster, or would you rather have the Livewire, the electric bike that Harley helped develop, and now it's kind of spun off into its own company? But I saw a display here at the Harley dealer and I was curious, Sportster or this brand, I guess you'd say brand new school electric motorcycle. It's got no internal combustion engine. It's not going to necessarily sound like what we're used to hearing from a motorcycle, and it certainly doesn't look like one. In the comments section below, what are you picking? Sportster, Livewire?